Lebanon is a country of decisive differences, both religiously and geographically. A coastal strip borders the Mediterranean Sea, which is hemmed in by the Mount Lebanon Range. To the east of the range is the Bekaa Valley, which ends at the Anti-Lebanon Mountains, the national border with Syria and Israel. Arriving on the coast, the multi-religious capital city and cultural hub of Beirut enjoys a Mediterranean hot summer climate with comfortable conditions year-round. Tyre, a mostly Shia Muslim city in southern Lebanon, is within 1 or 2 degrees of Beirut every month. Jounieh, a Maronite Christian city just north of Beirut, is the same or a degree warmer than Beirut year-round. And Tripoli, in northern Lebanon, is the same or a degree cooler than Beirut all year. With such pleasant conditions, it's no wonder that the Christian crusaders established a state with Tripoli as its capital for over 150 years during the Middle Ages. All of these cities have moist winters with 8 to 10 days of rain per month, dry springs and falls, and almost completely dry summers. Lebanon's modern-day Christian majority resides to the east of Tripoli in the Mount Lebanon Range. As the altitude increases up the mountains, the climate cools to Mediterranean warm summer, a climate typified by the town of Bsharri. This Maronite Christian locale enjoys ideal warm summers and cool winters averaging slightly above freezing, but with lows below freezing that make a touch of snow part of the winter season, which is also true in other parts of the range's higher altitudes. Down the eastern slopes of the Mount Lebanon Range, we land in the Bekaa Valley. This is the northeasternmost section of the famous Great Rift Valley, which stretches all the way from southern Africa through the Red Sea and Israel before ending in the Bekaa Valley. Here the town of Faqrat has a warm summer Mediterranean climate with January averages below freezing and comfortable summers. Like the rest of the Bekaa, rainfall and snowfall are limited here on account of the rain shadow effects of the Mount Lebanon Range, which blocks precipitation from the Mediterranean Sea. Just an hour's drive southeast, at the feet of the Anti-Lebanon Mountains, is the predominantly Muslim city of Baalbek. But boy, does a lot change in that hour, climactically speaking. Baalbek has much hotter summers than Faqrat, bringing the climate squarely into the hot summer Mediterranean category. It has even less precipitation, although enough to avoid being classified as semi-arid. South down the Bekaa Valley, the overwhelmingly Christian city of Zahle is within 1 degree of Baalbek year-round. Well, shall we cross the Anti-Lebanon Mountains into Syria and see what kind of climate surprises await? Oh, I hear it gets bombastically hot over there. So tune in again with Climate Time and join the world to work tonight.